this so the receiver for the power steering pump is right here. It came off. You got two holes right there, those two screws right there are these ones right here, like that and like that. It's two of them, so that goes right here, goes like that, and goes connected into this. And then the other one on the other side right here, that one connected into this. So there's two, one right here and one right here. So one right here and one right here. Now to take this sensor off, we use a number 15 ratchet, and this goes like this. I already loosened it, that's why it's very easy for me to maneuver. So take that off, and then it comes, it should come right out. That's only a sensor. I'm gonna finish it and I'll come back and show you. I'm gonna what's next. Okay, all right.